Hey guys, welcome to Mike's Guitar Room. Today I will be reviewing the limited edition Squier Sonic Stratocaster. I got this on sale from Fender's website for Cyber Week. It was on sale for $139.99. It's regularly $199.99. Let's get into this. Squier Guitars is such a well-known name in the guitar world. This is basically Fender's budget brand. Beginners will definitely like the thin body and light weight of this guitar. Now there's no pickup selector on this one. There's only one option with a humbucker in the bridge. It does have a hardtail bridge though, which I definitely like, and I am still not sure about the green color, but maybe it'll grow on me, I'm not sure. The body material on this guitar is poplar with a gloss polyurethane finish. The humbucker is ceramic with a 6-saddle hardtail bridge. You have your basic volume and tone knob. The neck on this guitar is a C-shaped maple neck with 21 narrow tall frets. The fretwork on this guitar is not bad. They are a little sharp on the ends, but it's definitely better than the other Squier Stratocaster that I reviewed. If you want to see that other review, I will leave a link in the description. The neck finish on this guitar is satin, and the fingerboard radius is 9.5. This guitar has your basic die-cast sealed tuners, and the guitar is made in Indonesia. Overall, I think this guitar feels really good with its lightweight and thin body. Now, with only one pickup in the bridge position, I do feel this guitar does limit you on tone capabilities. Personally, I prefer a neck pickup for a warmer tone. Bridge pickups can tend to be very bright. However, this single pickup guitar does have a tone knob, so you can kind of cut back on those chimey highs. I had to cut back the tone knob to about 1 just to get that warmer sound that I like. Now, I will say this, my ears are not the best, and high tones do bother my ears, so when I think something is too bright or too high sounding, the next person might not think that, so just keep that in mind. But overall, it's a really nice feeling guitar. It's definitely nice looking, you know, with the maple neck. I think that looks pretty cool, and the fret ends are a little sharp, but definitely better. It's definitely better than the other Squier that I had. I think I would like to try a single pickup guitar with only a neck pickup, just to kind of check out the difference, just to see what, you know, what kind of tones I could get out of a single neck pickup guitar. But overall, it's definitely a nice guitar. And, you know, it's one of those guitars you just kind of got to try it out for yourself and see if you like it. So, alright guys, I hope this video helped, and if it did, just hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'm going to do a few more tone clips, and thanks for watching and checking out my channel.